This tutorial will walk you through how to change the global font family, font size, and font color in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, and go to Website, Design Manager, from top menu. Click Custom tab, and select Global from the section drop-downs. Under Global Font, you can specify Global Font Family, Font Size, and Font Color. To pick your own color, click on the color box, and you will be presented with a color picker pop-up. To reset color to default, please click the X button, and then click Save button. The color pickup pop-up will have HSV panel, sliders, and also Swatches color picker. You can preview the changes in Layout Manager, as shown here. Enter font size. Select font from font family drop-downs. You can add additional fonts if needed. Click Save button, and then click OK button. Now go to your front store, and refresh the page, to view the new font style and color. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.